Is this thing on? Oh, hey everyone, how's it going? Yeah, I can tell I haven't done this in a while. And also look at my hair. God, this is meant to be a vape review, but God, look at how smooth and silky. No, I'm just kidding, it's lockdown hair, guys. Anyway, how's it going everyone? My name is WeeVapez here, and I'm back after about 9 or so months, can't really remember. But I'm back now, and there's going to be, weekly vape review videos and all kind of vapes that you can think of, sub-ohm, starter kits, pod devices, anything I feel like doing. Or you can even recommend it in the comments below, you never know. But just a little disclaimer point, or a little bit of advice for you people. I don't actually get sent these vapes, I actually buy these vapes to review them because I'm not like a big vape YouTuber or anything like that. So I buy these devices and review them because, I don't know, it's like a hobby, you know what I mean? Like, some people have hobbies, that's a weird hobby to have, but my hobby is that, so shut up. Anyway, let's get right into today's review video. And what are we reviewing today? We are reviewing the, I don't know if you can see that, the Aspire K1, fucking buckets, Stealth, what is it, Jesus, I forgot the name. The Aspire K1 Stealth Kit. And honestly guys, this is a cross between like a normal vape device, like a pen kind of style, and a pod, so I'm not too sure, but it's a stealthy kit. I mean, look at the size of it, it's quite wee. It's quite small in comparison to other, obviously, kits out there. This is considered a starter kit because, you know, it's not got a lot of like features like adjustable wattage. Well, it has got adjustable wattage, but it's not like, you can't really see it. You've only got like buttons that tell you, like, I think that it's free control. I'll show you anyway when I get in it. It's, yeah, there's no TC mode or anything like that if you want to know. But anyway, inside the kit, as you can see here, though we can see very well, it's not really focusing. But anyway, inside the kit, you do get, obviously, a 1K1 Stealth mod, which is this here. This is the silver one here. You do get 1K1 plus tank, that's the tank. This is this part here, just so you know, this bit here. You get two nichrome coils, you get a 1.6 ohm and a 1.8, and the 1.8 is the pre-installed coil, so that is the one I will be testing out today, as I've not got another tank. So unfortunately, you do get one metal connection ring which connects the, obviously, the pod, well, the tank to the pod, if you get me. So like, it connects this part here. Alright, I'll show you that in a minute anyway. You get one USB, well, a micro USB cable, no USB-C unfortunately, but it charges fast anyway, it charges fast enough. User manual and a warranty card. So that's basically the box, and then I'll show you, obviously, if you open up, oh god, that there. If you open up, obviously your mod will be sitting there, and your tank will be sitting there, and your little connection ring will be sitting there, metal connection ring. Here's your warranty card. Alright, just put this all over here. I always do this, man. I always get built up with rubbish. This is your, God, this is, nervous boss. This is your user manual, so you can read that if you want, you know. And oh jeez, see, I mean, I've not, I've not done this in so long, honestly. You know what I mean? God, right, you can tell I haven't done this in 9 months. Inside there, you will get your USB cable and this spare coil, which is the 1.6 ohm coil. So without further ado, enough chit chat. I don't know, this is kind of a weird setup, isn't it? Like, I'm recording this on my phone, like, I've not actually got a camera, so it's I'm actually looking at you guys, but it might look like I'm looking over this way. It's strange, but anyway, forget about that. So this is the device itself, you know. Obviously this is the fire button here. To turn the device on, all you would do is 1 2 3 4 5. That turns it off, obviously, because I had it on there. No, actually it turns it on, I had it off. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 turn it off, or turn it on, and 1 2 3 4 5 basically does the same kind of thing. So that's how you turn it on, right? And to switch between the power modes, right, it has power modes. So I think one setting is 8 watts, the other is 10, and the other is 12. I think the maximum 12 it goes up to. Obviously this will deplete with the battery life, but I mean, look at that, how clear that is, boy. So you just go 1 2, that changes it down to 1 1 2, second power setting, 1 2, third power setting. Now I'm going to put it to 1 so I can show you all 3 different settings, so you can see what one will maybe work best for you. But I mean, in all honesty, it is quite a nice little kit. It's held in with quite strong magnets as well. Oh god, got it out. Yep, quite strong magnets. So, I mean, this isn't, I mean, it's not going to like fall out. You can tell this is well made. So inside there, as you can see, it's got a little connection port. Oh, zooming quite well there. Obviously, you can see your juice levels by the little indents there. I mean, look at the edges on it. It has been well made and a lot of time put into it. So, I mean, it's not a cheap looking device by any means. So, you do get, this is your tank here, right? And the little metal part I was talking about is here. So, obviously, you could take this off, right? And that is your, if I can get it off, that is your 5 tank adapter. So what you can do, a connector, or so what you could do is put it onto another tank or anything, but it works perfectly well with this, so you don't really need to do that. It's only if, say, it died and you had a spare tank with you or anything like that. But yep, that's basically it. And then obviously it's childproof, so what you need to do is press on it and twist, and that will unleash the coil section, so you can get in and replace the coil or whatnot. And down here, I don't know if you can see that, but that's your little airflow there, right? So it's your little airflow control rings. I'm going to be testing out all of them. I'll leave it open just now, and it does hold a whopping 1.9 mils of juice. So I have the TPD version because I obviously live in the UK, but I mean, it holds not bad juice for such a small little tank. I mean, I really do like this tank. It feels nice in the hand. I mean, I suppose it could take a bit of time to get used to. Well, get used to what? A bit of time to get used to, because of obviously it's like, it's sharp, well, it's not sharp edges, but it feels edgy, if you get me. God, man, I've not done this in so long, so I do apologise. But anyway, to put the tank, obviously, oh sorry, I'm forgetting everything here. And then obviously to get in, to fill it up, right, what you do here is you would press it down, okay? God, hopefully I don't drop anything here, right? And then as you can see, it's sliding off, and that's how you fill it up. So I mean, it's such an easy tank to use for a starter kit. I recommend it to anyone who's trying to go off a SIGs, you know. This does retail for about, how much was it? I bought mine for 25, but it varies between 20 to 30, so it just depends on where you look. Obviously I can't leave the link to this in the description because of the YouTube guidelines currently in place, but just type it in. It's called the Aspire K1 Stealth Kit, I believe. Yeah, that's it. Sorry, I believe that is what it's called, and it will bring up all of that. So without further ado, let's get into the vaping. How does it perform? So I'm on number 1, as you can see. Hold on, number 1%, which is 8 watts, I believe. So let's vape it. It's definitely a mouth to lung device. It's sort of like a restricted mouth hit. It's sort of like a restricted lung hit, but you couldn't like direct lung this, no way. It's, but the flavour is really good off this. I mean, really good. Even on number 1 setting. Hold on, number 8 watts. Oh god, that's really flavourful actually. Oh man, that's really that's actually really quite good. It's the first time trying this. God. Whoa, that's really good, man. So that's 8 watts. 1, 2. This is 1.8 ohm coil. Let's try the, I think it's 10 watts now. Number 2, as you can see, look. Number 2, hold on. Yep, there we go. Oh, you do get quite a nice little cloud off it as well for it being a 1.8 coil. 1.8 ohm coil. God, man, I'm getting embarrassed now. Right, so that was really actually quite nice, that. Yeah, definitely would recommend this. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So it does, I think it's the BVC coils, Aspire BVC, and they're well known for their flavour, and this is no letdown at all with flavour. Obviously with the battery indication, if it's, I think it's, if it's above 60%, it's at green, so this little button here that will be green means it's blue just now. If it's below 60%, between 60 and 30, it will be blue, and if it's at red, it will be red. If it's at red, it's below 30%. So I recommend charging it when it gets to the red, because the power does drop slightly, not too much, but you know what I mean. But I mean, really good flavour of that. Let's try the 3rd setting. Yeah, is that it? 3rd setting? Right, I think this is the max 11 or 12 watts, I'm not too sure. Oh, really brings out the flavour. I do have 50/50 blend Hyzen in this, and I'd recommend picking up Hyzen if you love menthol and like aniseed and berries and stuff like that. It's honestly, it's so good. I actually have the bottle over there if you can see. I don't know if you can see it very well, but anyway, that's the flavour I'm using in this, and it really works well with the 50/50 blends. And I also think it worked well with Nick salts as well, due to its low power. Obviously, you do get quite a good cloud off it, but the throat hit would be really good with the Nick salts, I believe. I'm using WeeVapez just now, but the 12 milligrams is giving me, I'm using 12 milligrams by the way, it's giving me quite a nice throat hit. I mean, definitely would recommend that. That is a fantastic little device. So that was the Aspire K1 Stealth Kit. So what's my opinions on that? My opinions is, I really do like that. I mean, it's such a nice device. It's compact, it's easy to carry about. It's not, I mean, it's not even too heavy as well. So it's a really nice stealth kit. I mean, I definitely recommend this for vapors that are just starting out, if it's their first device or whatnot, or even experienced vapors, because the flavour is, oh man, let me try this again. Beautiful, beautiful, everyone, beautiful. So I would definitely recommend that. Obviously, you can type it into whatever platform you want to buy it off of, and you will find the prices that are relevant to this device. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my first video back. I know it was quite a short video today, but anyway, oh my god, let's not do that. So that was the Aspire K1 Stealth Kit. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I do have another video coming out. I have actually purchased the UL Caliburn G. I don't know if you've heard of that kit, but I will be doing an unboxing of that when it comes. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button, comment and subscribe, and always enjoy vaping. Goodbye everyone.